Imagine you're a billionaire, not just a regular billionaire. You're one of the billionaires. You've got your private jets, your super yachts, your underground bunkers stocked with artisanal apocalypse rations. But something still doesn't feel right. Because, let's be honest, Earth is a dumpster fire right now. Climate change? Check. Global instability? Yep. AI that might turn into Skynet? Probably. And worst of all, governments keep trying to tax you. So, what's the next move? Simple. Leave Earth. But here's the thing. This isn't just some sci-fi fantasy. The wealthiest people on the planet are actively planning for a future where they don't have to live here anymore. Whether it's Mars, the Moon, or giant space stations orbiting the Earth like some kind of billionaire-exclusive VIP lounge, the ultra-rich seem dead set on building an escape hatch. And the real question is, why? Reason number one, Earth is becoming less enjoyable. Sure, money can buy you anything. But there's one thing billionaires hate more than paying taxes: inconvenience. Think about it. You can buy a private island, but you can't stop rising sea levels from swallowing it whole. You can own bunkers in New Zealand, but you can't stop the risk of economic collapse, food shortages, or AI deciding that humans are no longer necessary. Basically, billionaires have looked at the future of Earth and said, yeah, this place is mid, let's go somewhere else. Reason number two, the ultimate monopoly: owning space. Now, leaving Earth isn't just about survival, it's also about business. Because here's the deal. Space isn't just some romantic, interstellar frontier. It's a trillion-dollar economy just waiting to be conquered. And billionaires love conquering economies. Asteroid mining? That's trillions in precious metals just floating around, waiting to be scooped up. Space tourism? Why settle for a first-class flight when you can sell zero-gravity luxury retreats to the ultra-rich? Colonizing Mars? Why be a regular billionaire when you can be the king of Mars trademark? Essentially, space is the final unclaimed real estate market. And billionaires don't just want to escape Earth. They want to own the future of human civilization. Reason number three, dodging taxes and government control. Let's get real. Billionaires aren't just worried about existential threats. They're also tired of pesky things like laws. Here's a fun fact. The more money you have, the more annoying government regulations become. On Earth, you have to deal with taxes, regulations, worker rights, and environmental laws. But in space, none of that exists yet. The first people to set up shop on Mars won't just be pioneers, they'll be lawmakers. They get to decide how things work. They could create a billionaire's utopia with no taxes, no regulations, and no annoying laws telling them what they can and can't do. It's not just about escaping Earth. It's about building a place where they make the rules. Reason number four, the Great Filter. There's this theory in astrophysics called the Great Filter. It basically says that civilizations tend to self-destruct before they get too advanced. Nuclear war, AI takeover, environmental collapse. Now, most of us are just trying to survive the next decade without having a panic attack. But billionaires? They're thinking long-term. Because if the Great Filter is real, that means humanity might be heading for extinction, and the only way to avoid it is to leave before it happens. The ultra-rich don't just want to build spaceships for fun, they want to make sure they're the ones who survive if Earth goes down the drain. So, are they actually leaving? Okay, let's be real. Most billionaires aren't actually packing their bags and heading to Mars tomorrow. The technology isn't ready. Space travel is still insanely expensive. And living on Mars? Yeah, that's about as comfortable as camping in Antarctica, with no oxygen. But the money is flowing into space colonization, and it's clear that some of the world's wealthiest people see leaving Earth as a very real backup plan. Maybe they won't get there in their lifetime. But they're laying the groundwork so that their descendants, or at least their AI-powered consciousness uploads, can be the first to leave this planet behind. And the rest of us? Well, we're probably staying right here.